Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Sam here with Custom PC Review, bringing you guys another unboxing today. And today we're going to be checking out the Cooler Master CM Storm Trigger mechanical gaming keyboard. So this is going to be using mechanical key switches, the Cherry MX Brown key switches. And I believe they offer this in other types of key switches, but I'm not exactly sure. I'll probably have that in the full review. But this keyboard is actually going to be one of the most full-featured keyboards I've ever seen on a mechanical keyboard. And as you can see, just from all the list of features, I mean, it's got macro keys, it's got the USB 2.0 hub that you're about to see right there. They've also included a power jack, so you can have extra power to power those USB devices, say if you want to charge an iPhone or something. A lot of USB hubs don't allow you to do that unless they use like 2 USB plugs or something like that. So anyways, for those guys unfamiliar, CM Storm is actually Cooler Master's kind of gaming segment or gaming oriented sub-brand, and they've actually been introducing a lot of stuff. They've really focused on this brand over this year, and probably this year or the past. They've introduced like 3 gaming keyboards, and this is one of them. The other one we reviewed was the Quickfire Rapid. So it's got that detachable USB cable, as you guys saw. This was something we saw from the Quickfire Rapid as well, so nothing new there. Got to download the drivers and the software from the website. We've got a quick start guide right there, and pretty self-explanatory. I mean, it's gonna be a mechanical gaming keyboard. Of course, you know, you might need some help with working the macros, you know, learning how to use it for the first time, but I'm pretty sure the software will do a pretty good job of walking you right through. So definitely I'm gonna have some information about that in full review later when it comes out, after I put this through its paces. So taking a look at some of the other accessories, we've got a wrist rest, and it's just one of those plastic kind of, it's got a matte finish, which is very nice, but just mainly a plastic kind of wrist rest that is pretty common. It looks pretty good, but I definitely like the gel type or the memory foam type wrist rest better than one of those plastic ones. But some of you guys might like the plastic ones, so I'm just gonna show you guys a closer look of this keyboard, and as you can see, it actually looks really good. The keys actually feel like they have a very matte style finish to them, and the switches are actually quite, they're on the side, or the quieter side for Cherry MX Browns, so that's kind of interesting what they've done there. And the rest of the keyboard's actually got like this rubbery kind of grippy feel to it. I actually really like the feel of this keyboard. It feels pretty sturdy, pretty solid. Down there you see the feet right there. They've also got little rubber pieces to prevent the keyboard from slipping, even if you put the feet up, which is nice. I know a lot of keyboards, they start slipping once you put the feet up because they don't have any rubber grips or anything on the bottom. But other than that, I mean, we've got 6 large anti-slip feet on the bottom, so that's great. Here we've also got the USB 2.0 hub there. As you can see, that little USB, the mini USB ports where you plug it in, and then you've also got an optional 5-volt, I guess, power jack that you can plug in for additional power to the USB ports. As far as the wrist rest goes, it's just typical wrist rest. It looks pretty good when attached, but I'm kind of skeptical if it's actually any use, comfort wise. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I am a bit bummed that they didn't include a 5-volt power plug or power adapter, whatever you want to call it. So that's something you're gonna have to get on your own. We're gonna do a quick typing test right now and let you guys hear the Cherry MX Brown key switches. Alright, so I don't want to bore you guys too much with a whole bunch of typing. So next thing we're going to take a look at is this keyboard in the dark, because it is red LED backlit. That's right. It's got very nice, very even looking backlighting. It's not as bright as some of the other keyboards I've seen. It's pretty bright, don't get me wrong, but it's not as bright as some of the other keyboards we've seen on the market, like the Max keyboard that we reviewed a little while back. But other than that, it's still got great looking lighting. I love the fonts on the keyboard itself. And I don't know exactly how many modes there are, but I'll run you through a couple of modes so you guys can check it out. So that's off, that's on, and then you're gonna have a option of reducing the backlighting. As you can see there, it's not very apparent differences in mode as you go down and up, but it is there, you know, in terms of the brightness. You also get a breathing mode, which I actually like. I think this is a really good implementation of the breathing mode, because it kind of just slowly goes dimmer and then it comes back up pretty quick. So it actually looks like breathing, whereas, you know, some other brands, they kind of just go to dark and then they come back up to life. In terms of the third mode, you've got one mode that just displays your arrow keys, your WASD keys, and your M1 through M5 macro keys. And that's pretty cool if, you know, you're really focusing on FPS games or anything like that. So that's pretty much it. More pictures coming up for you guys, so definitely check it out if you guys are interested. I just want to thank Cooler Master for sending this out for review. I want to thank all you guys for watching, and catch you guys in the next video. Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Sam back here again with another video for you guys, and today I am going to be announcing another giveaway because I really like to hook you guys up. And what I've got is the PH-F140TS fan by Fantex, along with the Fantex PH-TC14PE CPU cooler. So as you guys all know, this is probably one of the best CPU coolers on the market today. It certainly is the biggest.